welcome to my channel. My name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. If you are new here, make sure that you pause this video, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are informed of every upload. If you are not new here, welcome back, y'all. So this video, I'm just showing y'all me packing my house, you guys. I packed my house up, and actually I did not procrastinate. I actually did really well. I think I started maybe a week before I had to actually move. But as y'all see, my closet looks so crazy. Don't judge me, all right? I don't judge y'all, but I'm just packing all of my stuff up. As you guys can see, I did pretty good. I went to U-Haul. I got about 20 medium boxes, and I had to go back and get, let me see, I say about 5 large boxes. But that's all I needed, you guys. That is all I needed. Like, you guys, if you guys don't already know, I am downsizing from a 2-bedroom to a studio apartment in Texas. So I had to get rid of a lot of things. I had to throw a lot of things away. But it worked out. It worked out very, very well, you guys. So I started from the back of my house to the front of my house. So I started in my closet. I did my bedroom, did the hallway, closet, the hallway, and I am in the bathroom right now. I made sure to label everything to help organize, so that I know where things go. And now I am in my salon room. Actually, I was low-key nervous about this one because I had a lot of stuff in my salon room, especially that closet. I had so much hair. All the extra hair, I gave it to my mother. I definitely gave it to her. She definitely made sure that I knew that she wanted it. But look, y'all, I found some moolah. I found some money. Ooh, I got some money. But yeah, I was happy. As you guys can see, I also did I was checking for more. Just to make sure, because sometimes, I think one time I found $160 in my pocket, and I was like, oh, wow, didn't even know about this. But I was happy, so here's my happy dance, y'all. Yeah, she got that money. When you find money, you know what the feeling is. But, yeah, so back to getting it cleared out. Remember, I put this floor down, easily picked it up.
My sis moving to Texas, and I'm so sad now. I can't wait for her to move back.
I mean, we've been here like it was. I was talking about your own.
It was cheap hair. I just made it. I didn't even get my hair done. Now next time I get my hair done, I'm gonna have to fly to Texas, me and my son. So we can get our hair done. Right here. This is my son right there.
Didi, baby, you know I love you, but I ain't moving back, no baby. Ladies, y'all know what that noise sound like.
Oh shit, I thought that was my vibrator. You get on my nerves. You go, how'd you get that? Put that down, please.
This your wine for?
Yeah, you should have seen my face. You all got big hair. You saw. Oh my God, damn, you found it. Is your camera? Is your camera recording? Oh shit, it is. You gotta watch because I was rapping. I was like,
hey, we thought it was one of them thang, you know what I'm saying?
One of them thang-yangs. I put them thang-yangs up, so we good. On a serious note, I want to thank all of my friends who helped me through this journey. And a special shout out to Rayshawn and Michael for coming to help me. They don't even know me from Adam, but good people introduce good people to good people. Let's make a toast. I appreciate y'all. Come on. Shots. All right. Cheers. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Come on.
bro. What is this, Angelina?
This shit nasty. That's what it is.
What is it, y'all? Is it Everclear?
Yeah. This nasty.
Take a shot, T. Take it. Take it.
I'm like, where mine? I see that mama. Dang, you still have
Oh! It tastes like oil, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit!
I said it tastes like tree bark.
That just tastes
This
like
shit
oil.
disgusting.
Y'all, I thought it was gonna be so good because y'all know the reposado, you know what I'm saying, is good. The reposado is one under that. That's the highest one. Yeah.
And that shit nasty.
I took the shot. I was going through it. I was going through it.
She had that bottle for fun.
Yeah, I'm saying she ain't saying shit. They went back there and talked and shit and get back out.
No, I was like, where's mine? She was
I
like,
wonder why you only had 3 cups.
Yeah. So we all take a shot. Shit.
Yeah, I got the juice. Y'all want to try juice?
No, I don't want none else. No, I'm good. I'll touch you no more.
So you guys, that was the Casamigos, the black bottle. It was the, I guess the top shelf, the highest one. I don't know. Disgusting. So I'll be in Texas prayerfully by 1 p.m. Yeah.
You drive all night?
And at worst case scenario, 3 p.m.
And use your PP thing? If you drive all night?
Yes, I'm going to use my PP thing. Did I show you my pee thingy? Or I could pee like a guy. Her pee thing.
What pee thing? You got to think you can piss while you driving?
Yes.
Yeah.
What you connected to yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, this shit. She gonna be non-stop.
Where's your wallet?
Well, this one, I ain't even opened this one up yet. But this one is with the bags. We got the bags and the straw. This one is for the girls.
I think you should stop pouring in the bathroom.
So you connect that to yourself.
Yeah, and pee inside that bag.
They gotta be uncomfortable.
This one is another one, but this one is where I can stand up like a guy and pee. Amazon got everything. So, because I don't want to have to. I drink a lot of water, and I don't want to have to keep stopping, and I don't want to dehydrate myself because, yeah, I drink close to a gallon a day, period. So for me to
So
go
make sure you
to
drink,
not, I'm gonna have a headache. I'm gonna be delusional.
Yeah, get you a little blunt on the road.
Hell no.
Hell no.
That shit,
Are you kidding me?
She don't need no
I'm
money.
not a smoker.
She don't need no government roses.
But you gotta go through Arizona?
Okay, y'all distracting me, okay? This is for Lauren.
Yeah, we've been waiting for that box for like 20 minutes.
It's done. Good afternoon, everyone. I don't even have my light thingy on there, but I am moving officially. Let's go ahead and go through the house. I'm still getting stuff together, still cleaning a little bit or whatever, but this is my old room. I'm definitely going to miss my walk-in closet, okay? Definitely gonna miss it. In here is so huge and spacious, and I am downsizing, so yeah, I am going from a 2-bedroom to a studio. So I'm actually excited. I'm not upset or anything like that. I just woke up, so I do got that face and that talk a little bit, but it is okay. Since my bed is packed up, I got me an air mattress. Slept on an air mattress last night. Baby, it's not for me, but it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do, okay? This stuff is going to my car. Of course, this is my ring light. I'm about to pack that up now, but I just wanted to come in and check in on you guys and let you guys know that everything is everything. I still have one more box that I'm about to take down to the truck. I have a couple of errands to run, and then I'm coming back and I'm taking a nap because sis is driving to Texas, okay? I am driving to Texas, and I'm driving all by myself. I am not upset. I am not, you know, I'm just ready to get there at this point because 15 hours 15, 16 hours depending on traffic. I'm definitely not looking forward to it, but it is okay. It's okay. I actually am looking forward to it, to getting it done. Okay. But yeah, I guess that's it, you guys. Loki's still tired, but that's a good thing because I'm gonna take a nap. Right now it is 1:23. I have to pick up the dolly for my car at 6:30, so I have to make 2 runs, and then I'm coming back and I'm going back to sleep. But I wanted to make sure I packed up everything first, so it'll just be me in the blow-up bed. And yeah, so I will check back in with you guys the next time you see me. I will be on the road.